Guys, today I got in a package. It's from Going Gear and it's of their EDC club. To be perfectly honest, I haven't talked to Going Gear. I didn't know they were sending this, and so we're going to check it out and we're going to look at all the details. I wanted to go ahead and open it up on video, let you guys see what this is all about. But you know, I've loved Going Gear for a number of years. Of course, since Marshall passed away, I haven't really done anything with Going Gear, and so I'm looking forward to seeing what they have in here, and we'll get into the details. I got some information about the Going Gear EDC Club. It's $59.95, and you can go to goinggear.com. They guarantee that the prices on the gear are worth more than the price of the package. And so Going Gear is really known for a lot of really cool EDC stuff. I mean, all the way from knives, flashlights, different type survival gear. I mean, I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in here. It'll ship on the 1st of the month, and it instantly renews unless you stop it on the 22nd. And that's just what I read on the Going Gear website. So let's just go ahead and open up the package. I'm not going to turn it over because I've got my address on there. And we'll take a look. Okay, we have a welcome to the Going Gear EDC Club, and it has descriptions of each of the items and the prices. And here are all the items laid out. I know that the Claris just by itself is like $49.95, so we're already going to be doing good, and then we'll check out the rest of it. Right, first we have from Tech Accessories, and this is the Pico pen. The pen that is always with you. Got a little description here. They are stainless steel. They do one with aluminum bronze edition as well. Here's the pen. Stainless steel, very well machined, very short. The top, just magnetic. Comes with a little attachment hook with a split ring, and it attaches just to the top of the pen. That's a pretty strong magnet. That's going to be pretty cool. Anytime you can keep this on your keychain, if you need a pen, just pull it off and you're ready to go. This is 3¼ inches in length, and it weighs a ½ ounce, so it's really going to be lightweight. It uses one of the D1 ink cartridges, and these are available actually at the techaccessories.com website, or you can get it from other retailers, or you can get it from Going Gear. And we're going to see how it writes. Looks good. Smooth like butter. Of course, you can take it, pop it onto your key ring, and you know, just hold on to it. Makes it really easy. When you need it, pull it off. When you're done, pop it back on. And the price on the Tech Accessories Pico pen, $19.95. Next we have the Exotac. This is a magnetic quick release. It's actually the same size as a 380 bullet. And not only is the bullet like a 380, but it's almost like a shell casing. This is really pretty cool. That's a very strong magnet. I'm sure those little ridges help to actually make it even better. And it does come with a little small split ring. You can drop this onto your key ring. Now what's great about having a magnet is you have your car keys here and your car's running, but you need to run back into the house or go into your shop like I end up doing a lot, and then all you got to do is unhook it, and then you can leave your keys in your car. For valet, it really works well. If you have multiple cars, it makes it nice. And so it's a super strong magnet. It's going to lock into place. Yeah, it's going to hold very well. Of course, you can use it in different configurations. I just happen to have it on this really heavy key bar. And so we'll test it out and see over time. But I've used magnets before, and I really like them. Now, this is copper, but there is steel right here, the magnet, and then of course here's the magnet. So that's going to hold it. But that's a pretty cool keychain. And the Exotac BMQR 380 magnet quick release. This runs $16.95. Next we have the new spoon. There are 10 in here. This is kind of a unique item. These are actually disposable little spoons. You can keep this, you know, handy somewhere if you ever need a spoon. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just keep one in your car. If you've ever been through a drive-thru or you've grabbed some yogurt at the store and you don't have a spoon, this is a great way to keep them together. All right, so take it and fold over and then fold under. And this is going to seal it up to where now you have a small spoon and you can eat. That's pretty cool. I would never have thought about something like this. Of course, it wouldn't be complete unless we tested out our little new spoon. That works. Really, I just wanted an excuse to eat something. This is a good snack. Yep, good stuff. And the new spoon 10 count runs $4.95. Now this isn't included in the price, but there are 4 Going Gear, and these are stickers. These are pretty cool, actually. They're 3M backed, metallic, rubberized coating. That's pretty neat. Next we have the Clarus, and this is their EDC light. It's the MI2. This is rechargeable and it is waterproof. What this is, I have no idea, so we're going to check it out. Just glad I have my Gerber fastball. This is a great little knife, guys. And let's see what's in the mystery box. I believe this is the charging cable. And it is. Little USB with a micro USB. We have a power button here, and of course you have your bulb, and you have a little place for a keychain, and then I'm sure this is for your USB cable for your charging right here. And here's your power button. Just click for a half second, and when you release, it comes off. If you press and hold, there is your first output, and this is just 1.5 lumens. And then if you hold it, it'll go all the way up to 40 lumens. So a little small flashlight, 40 lumens, and then we can just click and it turns off. So we can click and then click again and you've got your high. Now here we go on the low setting. I mean, this is really bright enough to be able to see most things, and then if you want to bump it up, you can go up to the 40. So just a keychain light. It's really small. It's not made to be really bright out to distance. It's just made to take care of personal things. Here we have our Dark Energy power bank. We're going to click it in. Open this up. Put it into the light. And as you see, it's showing red. When this turns to blue, you'll be fully charged. This will go for 24 hours in the low setting and then 1 hour in the high 40 lumen setting, which is pretty good. And it is IPX4, which means it's waterproof. It's just a little under 2 1/4 inches and it weighs 0.32 ounces. It is very lightweight, has a polymer housing, so very handy for your keychain. And the Clarus EDC light MI2 runs $8.90. All right, guys, last and certainly not least, the Clarus E1 Deep Carry Pocket Light. Now, this is pretty impressive. We have a fairly decent sized light, small little carrying case, and you have your recharging cable inside here. Also comes with an extra O-ring and a lanyard. We'll go ahead and take this thing out, check out the battery. And there is a tab right here to keep the battery from coming on. Of course, we have a 2600 milliamp battery, and this is the 18-E26UR 3.7 volts. And you have your recharging port right here in the side. Drop it in, positive first, and then screw it on. It is IPX8, which means it's waterproof up to 2 meters. All right, IPX8, we're gonna drop it into the water. And this should go 2 meters for about 30 minutes. Now you have a pressure pad, and then you have your mode adjustments right here. You have a pocket clip, and it's a deep pocket clip. Aluminum body with a black anodized finish on it, and of course Clarus. The body is 0.19 inches in diameter, and it's 4 1/4 inches in length. And that weight is 1.78 ounces. As far as the modes go, you have your main power switch and your mode switch. So you can hit the rubber tail cap, and it comes on, it's 1,000 lumens. Or you can hit the little mode switch and it comes up at 0.5 lumens, and that's and then it goes up to 100, then it goes up to 400, then it goes up to 1,000. And so that way you can just click through. Now one thing is, to turn it off, you need to double click on this. And this is the outdoor setting. You can reprogram this for strobe and SOS for the tactical setting. And you can go to the Clarus or the information and look and see how that's done. The beam distance is 190 meters on high. So it gives you a good long beam distance. Okay, we have the Clarus E1, and we're going to do a little test on it. If you just press the mode button, you're getting down to the Firefly setting or the Moonlight setting. And then if we click again, we go up to the 100 lumens. Not bad at all. 400 lumens, and then we have the 1000 lumens. And you can see that's really bright, and that's about 25 yards out. Nice in the trees. I'm gonna bring it back up. So you're getting a good bit of light. Now just click the pressure pad in the back, and then you go straight to the 1000 lumens. Now this has a mineral glass lens, but there's no indication of what kind of unusual reflector that is. You can see the cross patterns. It's very different. It's the XPL HI LED. We have our charging cord hooked up to our dark energy charger, and right here in the battery, just going to slip this in, and you can see there is a red indicator for charging, and once that gets finished it'll be green. So all in all, guys, the Going Gear EDC Club, $59.95. The total value of the products was $100.70. And yeah, you don't know what you're going to get, but that kind of makes it fun. And if you're really into EDC, you like different things to carry around in your pocket, this is a great way to build up a neat collection. And so again, go to goinggear.com and you can check out all the details. And again, I want to thank Going Gear for sending the EDC Club and really cool items. And no, they're not paying me. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. And then you have a little, okay, whatever this is, what is this? After checking it out, I'm even more happier. I'm more happier. I'm more happier. Gosh, why is it always that you want to hang around to the end to watch me eat? And you don't have any. I'm sorry. It's really good. You want some? Oh, just kidding.